When loading a family into your project, you may not need every available size. To keep your project lightweight and efficient, it's best to load only the sizes you need. This is where the Specify Types feature becomes useful. Go to File, Export Family Types. Revit will export all family type data from your current family into a text file. Next, open Excel, select the first cell, go to the Data tab, and click from Text. Choose the text file you just exported. In the Text Import wizard, select Delimited, then click Next. Under Delimiters, choose Comma, click Next, and then Finish. Once the file is imported into Excel, you can reorder or edit the value columns as needed. When finished, save the file. Then, save it again as a CSV file. After saving, open File Explorer and rename the file extension from CSV to text. Make sure the renamed text file has the exact same name as your Revit Family file, and keep both files in the same folder. If these files are saved correctly, then when you load the family into a project, the Specify Types window will appear, allowing you to select which family types you want to load instead of importing them all at once.